What's the meaning of compartmentalize? Compartmentalize. Compartmentalize.
Compartmentalize. Compartmentalize. Compartmentalize refers to the act of dividing things into separate and distinct categories or compartments. The result is that information, ideas, or emotions are kept separate from one another, which can be both beneficial and detrimental. On one hand, compartmentalizing allows individuals to manage their thoughts and emotions, reducing stress and increasing productivity. However, it can also lead to a lack of integration and understanding between different aspects of life, resulting in compartmentalized thinking and a limited perspective on situations. Overall, while compartmentalizing can have benefits, it is important to maintain a balance and avoid excessive compartmentalization.